Hey y'all, welcome back to Glam Girl TV. Today we're talking mascara, specifically the Sky High by Maybelline, and I got the color brownish black. I gotta say that wouldn't have been my first choice. I would have gotten blackest black probably, if that is a color. Well, I would have just gotten black, not brownish black. But I did go to two different stores to find this. I know that it's brand new and it's flying off the shelves. I paid $11 for this one at CVS, and I don't know how much it is at Walmart, but I'm sure it's a little bit cheaper. I know CVS is a little bit more expensive. So this is a Tik Toc viral mascara. I wanted to try it only because I would typically be using my Thrive mascara, which I fell in love with. But now that it's gotten to be like 6 months plus old, I think that it's drying up and it's clumpy, and now it doesn't go on as smooth. So I was looking for something else, and then I came across this on TikTok. So if you know my history on my lashes, if you can really look closely, it's almost non-existent. One of my very first YouTube videos years ago that I filmed was on a mascara, and if you can see the before and after, you can see there that I have no lashes. They're very, very small. So let's see what this can do, and this is an honest review. I paid for this myself, and I'm gonna put on my makeup while I'm talking about my makeup that I'm applying until I get to the mascara. If you want, you can fast forward through this. I'm just applying makeup. I'm not talking about really any other thing. So here we go. Beauty blender, and I'm dipping it into my foundation. So I don't typically buy drugstore brand makeup. I have fallen in love with a couple of different things from the drugstore, and so I'm kind of curious to see how this mascara holds up. One of my biggest concerns about mascara in general is the transfer on my upper lid. I get that with most mascaras that I've used, and so I didn't even really see if, oh, it does say waterproof. It does say waterproof on there, so that's a plus. And so we're going to be seeing if it actually does that. So for right now, it's just my foundation. I've already pre-moisturized my face, and I'm just going to try and do this in less than 10 minutes. Because really and truly, it doesn't take me that long to apply my makeup. My hair takes the longest. It takes me roughly about 30 to 45 minutes to curl my hair. And that's like rushing it. I'm only applying so many layers. Today I am using a BB cream mixed with my Fenty foundation, Fenty Beauty foundation. And I really love Fenty Beauty foundation. I think it's a really, really pretty foundation. And if you're wondering, I am shade 190. And so when I use some BB cream, it tends to be a little bit more of a no makeup look. And so right now I'm just applying it a little bit heavier than normal, just because it would be a little bit more sheer than normal. Okay, now that I have the foundation on, Dr. Shireen Idris, I don't know if you follow her on Instagram, but I do. She is a dermatologist based out of New York City. She recommended this Clé de Peau, and it is a concealer. And supposedly it's extremely full coverage, and it's supposed to be great. I don't typically use concealer every time I apply my makeup, but I do use it sometimes when I feel like I definitely don't like my veins. You can see my veins on the top lid. I really don't like to see that, so I try and conceal that, but I don't really have dark circles, so I'm not trying to combat any dark circles. I'm just trying to avoid the vein lines. All right, so I know some people apply their mascara first before they put anything else on, like they do their eye makeup. I don't like to do that. I like to do it foundation first, just because I like to, like I said, go by my eyes with concealer, or I'll take the Fit Me powder and I'll just apply that to my under eye and the top lid. And I can't really do that, I feel, if I have mascara on. So I just really like to do my foundation first, and then my Fit Me powder, and then I like to go in with bronzer. So I have been applying my bronzer a little bit different lately. I watched a video with a celebrity, and I think it was for Vogue magazine. I could be wrong, but she did it on top of the bridge of her nose, coming down on each side, and then sweeping it across on both ends, like where you would apply your blush as well. And I noticed that she was right from what she said. She said when little kids get tanned, they usually get tanned right there on the bridge of their nose and on their cheeks. And so it looks like a natural glow, which if you look at my skin right now, it looks like I've been out to the beach, right? So that's what I was trying to accomplish with that whole look. So now I'm going to go in with a little bit of blush on top, and I just like to stay in one little area. And then sometimes I feel like it's a little bit too much, so I like to kind of sharpen it a little bit. Then it looks more natural. All right, we're at 7 minutes, and I want to hurry up. All right, so let me put a little bit of lip stuff on, my sugar lip, and let's open this baby and check it out. So the packaging is pretty. It's like a little rose gold, which I'm not hating. All right, normally before I would put on mascara, I would use a mascara primer. Not a lot of people like mascara primers, but I feel like it has done wonders for just making my lashes look a little bit more fuller. I wouldn't say longer, just more fuller. And especially if you don't have many lashes. So I'm going to do this without mascara primer. So let's see how this works. I did notice immediately how flexible this wand is. And typically, I would do multiple layers of mascara. I'm trying to look in the mirror at the same time. It's not really working. Okay. This one little piece is clumping up. You can see a dramatic difference in just, I guess, the thickness of my lashes compared. All right, we're at 9 minutes. Let's hurry up. I did not re-dip the wand. I probably should have. I feel like because it's not a stiff wand, it's kind of hard to like really dig because it wants to just flex with your lashes. And so I can already tell I'm going to have to take some off my lid, my upper lid. I transferred a little bit. I'm just going over this spot because this piece right here is bothering me. I don't know if you can see, look at how much product buildup is on the end. Like this end right here. I have mascara all over my nails. And I would typically not use the same mascara for my lower lids. I like to use an older mascara that has just a little bit of product left on it so that I don't look like I have spider legs. All right, so what do I think about this mascara? Well, I feel like it's so bouncy. Normally, I would just be able to really dig inside of my lashes and fan it out. And I feel like because the wand is so flexible, I feel like it's hard to really get a grip on the lashes. But other than that, and a little bit of the product being so caked up on the wand, did it give me enough? I feel like I've had other mascaras that have done way more. So I'm not going to say that it's a viral sensation for me. I don't know. So the only thing left to do now is my eyebrows. Now, I did recently just buy this. I normally would do something different, but I found this Anastasia Brow Wiz on Amazon Prime Day, and it was only 16 bucks, which is on sale because normally it wouldn't be that cheap. All right, so as you can see, it's not perfect, but then there's this end, which I like to just fan it out and just go over it, just so that it looks just natural, because I'm a natural kind of girl. I don't want it to look like I have stamped on eyebrows. My biggest concern is right here in the beginning. I have a couple of hairs that are just, they've disappeared and they're not coming back. So I have to just work with it and fill it in. The main reason why I do that is because I need to make my eyebrows darker. My eyebrows are really light, especially once I put on foundation. I feel like they're even lighter. So now, with that said, this video is going to be 15 minutes, not 10 minutes. All right, so that is my makeup for today and reviewing the Sky High by Maybelline. I do like that it's waterproof. I haven't been able to test that just yet, but I do like that it's waterproof. The color, I do want to state that the color brownish black was not bad at all. It's actually a lot darker than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to look really brown, but it's not. It is black, looking to me anyway. I guess next to my light hair, it looks really dark. I am going to have to clean up, like I said, on top my lid right here. I can see that I transferred a little bit. I will say that I love another mascara better than this, which I think I'm going to do a mascara video of all the mascaras that I've ever used that I love and I don't love. So stay tuned for that one because I have tons of mascaras that are old and I'll just show you in the video, yay or nay. So I think if I was going to repurchase and these were side by side on the rack, I would repick this one up. Just saying. The Thrive mascara, the technology of it, it's literally just fibers. So when you're going in the shower or in the bathtub, you literally can just take it off of your lashes and you're not going to have raccoon eyes and it's not going to be bleeding down your face. So I'm just saying, I think that technology is way better than typical mascara. What do you call this? Like, it's not like foundation. It's like a solution. I don't know. Whatever. So anyway, I'm not really that impressed. I just feel like it's a typical mascara. So here's your review for the day, and I hope you have a great one. Stay tuned. If you haven't yet, like and subscribe to this channel. Help me grow, and I'll see you next time. Bye.